दोस्तों, अग्निवीर अजय जनवरी में जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में शहीद हुए। अभी रिसेंटली देखा होगा न्यूज़ में उनके घर वालों से साथ अपोजिशन वाले खिलवाड़ कर रहे थे कि उनको उनका जो एमोल्यूमेंट्स नहीं मिला है। गवर्नमेंट एंड आर्मी गेव अ स्टेटमेंट। द इशू वाज पॉलिटिसाइज्ड। नागालैंड मॉन सेक्टर में कुछ सिविलियंस को 21 पैरा स्पेशल फोर्सेस, जो कि इंडियन आर्मी का सबसे एलीट यूनिट है, उनसे मिस कम्युनिकेशन से एक बॉस्ट अप ऑपरेशन हो गया जिसमें कि 7 सिविलियंस और एक सोल्जर का देहांत हुआ। FIRs are being lodged against Indian units or the army units by the police, and there is a outcry in Nagaland that ये जो जवान जिन्होंने एम्बुश में वॉचअप ऑपरेशन किया उनको प्रोसिक्यूट किया जाए, उनके अगेंस्ट हत्या का केस किया जाए। कुछ दिनों तक तो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस ने उनको प्रोसिक्यूट करने से मना कर दिया, बट नाउ सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज आस्क्ड the Ministry of Defense to come give permission for prosecution. So why are we politicizing the army? Why is the Indian army being put to fight with their hands tied, with FIRs being lodged against them, with their jawans being called for legal tangles for a duty they are doing for the country? Let me put it straight here that the jawans or the soldiers or the officers of the Indian army do not want to kill their civilian brethren. But then yes, mistakes do happen. What about these terrorists who are killing our soldiers from behind women, from behind civilians? So what do the soldiers do? There can be mistakes by them, but these human rights organizations, our politicians, start playing political games. I'll request you not to politicize the armed forces. Let us keep it above that, because that is your last bastion for security. Let us not put our soldiers into legal tangles. Let them do their job, which they are good at and are doing it in a very nice and proper manner. So let us respect these jawans and keep them above caste, religion and these political tangles, and let us not make a muddle of the army. So this is my request to everybody. Respect the soldier. Jai Hind.
In the face of all adversity, if you want to accomplish mission impossible, trust the Indian Armed Forces to do it.